Getting started with Cooper&Hunter ProTech is simple. First, visit cooper&hunter.us and click on the ProTech tab at the top of the page. Next, scroll down and select the blue Register button. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you're new to ProTech, choose Register as a Technician. Fill out your personal information along with your company's details and make sure all required fields are completed. Once everything is filled out, review your information and click Register to submit your application. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation email verifying your registration. If you meet the program requirements, your Cooper&Hunter ProTech membership tier and official certificate number will be issued and sent to you by email within 24 hours. ProTech membership tiers are awarded through distributor nomination and are based on your level of product registrations. As your registrations grow, you may qualify for higher membership tiers and unlock even greater rewards and exclusive benefits. That's it. Welcome to the Cooper&Hunter ProTech program.